Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to fill color in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. I will choose the Web Large presets and keep the settings to create a new document. Next, make sure that we have the Layers window. If you don't find this Layers window, we can go to Window and Show Layers here. I go back to Artboard. And then we can fill with the color. Now make sure that we select one layer and then go to Edit, and we can find Fill here. Or we can use shortcut Shift F5 to fill with color. Now I click it, and then we can find the Fill window and then go to Context, choose Color, and then we can pick a color. For example, I pick blue, and press OK and press OK to fill. So we can fill the background color to blue color. Now if we want to fill color to the selected area, we can go to make a selection first. For example, we can use McQuick tool. We can choose rectangular McQuick tool or others McQuick tool. In this tutorial, I will use rectangular McQuick tool and then click and drag to make a selection. I press Shift to make a square selection and release Mouse button to confirm to select this area. Next, we can go to Edit again and fill with another color. I pick the red or pink. I press OK and OK to fill. Now we can see that the color is filled with same layer. If you want to fill to the separate layer, we can press Ctrl Z to undo first, and then we can create a new layer, and then press Shift F5 and press OK to fill to another layer. This is the second way to fill color. The third way, for example, we can use the lasso tool to make a selection, something like this. And then we can go to bottom of the layers window. We can find adjustment layer and we can find solid color. Click it and then we can pick another color. I pick yellow and press OK. So we can fill color with the mask. So this is how we can fill color in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.